Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you if your Windows 11 laptop suddenly stops showing your Wi-Fi while the same Wi-Fi work perfectly fine on Android and iPhone. So only the particular Wi-Fi network name is not showing on your laptop. So don't worry, this issue is more common than you think, and in this video I will show you every solution that actually work. By the end of this video your laptop should be able to detect a missing Wi-Fi network again. Before making any changes, check whether other Wi-Fi network are visible on your laptop or not. If you can see other Wi-Fi network on your laptop but your own Wi-Fi network is missing, the problem is likely related to your laptop setting or your router configuration. First, you need to restart your laptop. After restarting, turn off your Wi-Fi router for about 30 seconds, power it back on and wait until all lights become stable. Now you can turn on your laptop, open your Wi-Fi setting, scan the Wi-Fi network once again. Hopefully now it will fix your problem. Still the problem is same. Now you can try the next method. Hold Windows key button and then press X from your keyboard. From here you need to open the device manager. In the device manager you need to expand network adapters like this. Right click on your wireless adapter. From here you need to select disable option. Wait a few seconds and enable it back. Check if your Wi-Fi appear or not. Still the problem is same. Now you can try the next method. Hold Windows key button and then press I from your keyboard. It will open your Windows settings. In the Windows settings, from the left panel go to network and internet. Okay, from here you need to open your Wi-Fi settings and click on manage unknown network. From here you can get your all connected Wi-Fi network which you have connected it previously. From here you need to forget that particular network. Just click on forget and then close the settings. Open your Wi-Fi page once again. Now scan it once again. Now if the Wi-Fi name is appear, simply select it and connect it. Still the problem is same. Now you can try the next method. Now once again you need to open the Windows settings, go to system, scroll down and find out troubleshoot. In the troubleshoot, go to other troubleshooter. From here you need to find out network and internet. Simply run this troubleshooter and follow the on-screen instruction steps to complete the troubleshooting method. After troubleshooting method was successfully completed, now you need to restart your PC one more time. After restarting, try to connect it. If the problem is same, once again in the Windows settings, go to Windows Update and here click on check for update. If the pending update is there, simply update your PC. After updating, it will automatically update your all driver including Wi-Fi driver. After updating, it will fix your problem. Still the problem is same. Now you can try the next method. Now you need to reset your network settings. To do this guys, in the Windows settings, go to network and internet, scroll down, find out advanced network settings like this, and then once again scroll down, open the network settings and then here simply select reset. Now it will completely reset your network settings on your PC. After this guys, it will 100% fix your problem. Still the problem is same. Now you can try the next method as well. Log in into your Wi-Fi router, verify that 2.4 GHz is enabled, 5 GHz is enabled. If supported, SSID broadcast is turned on. The router is not using unsupported wireless channel. Many older laptops fail to detect certain 5 GHz channel. That's why you need to set it to 2.4 GHz. Okay, you need to remember this guys. Then restart the router and laptop once again. If your mobile hotspot appear but home or office Wi-Fi still does not, the issue is almost certainly related to your router wireless configuration rather than Windows itself. After applying these fixes, your Wi-Fi network should become visible again 100%. If this guide helped you, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to TECHiFY for more Windows 11, Android and iPhone troubleshooting tutorial daily. And I will see you in the next one.